Human reproduction. Two features are important. One is sexual and the other one is viviparous. Sexual mode means it involves production and fusion of what gametes. And then it also requires the presence of how many individuals? Two different individuals, male and female. Okay. What is this viviparous? On the basis of site of development. That means whether the development is inside the body of the female or outside. Organisms can be classified into two, oviparous and viviparous. In humans, development is inside the body of the female and giving birth to young one. Such a development is called as viviparous. But if the development is outside the body of the female but within the egg, such a development is called as oviparous. Example, birds and reptiles. Okay. So when we consider human reproduction, two features are important. One is sexual and the other one is viviparous. And these are the sequence of events prior reproduction, that means before reproduction, or the steps of reproduction or the requirements of reproduction. The first requirement is gametogenesis. The word genesis means synthesis or production. So gametogenesis, it is the production of what gametes. And it is of two different types. That is, from testis, the male gamete called what is forming? The sperm is forming. Okay. And that is called as what? Spermatogenesis, production of sperms. And from ovary, what is forming? Egg or ovum is forming. And this is called as oogenesis. That is the production of egg or ovum. So the first requirement is the production of gamete, that is sperm and egg. That is gametogenesis. And then the second requirement is insemination. The word in, that means introducing what? Semen. That is the sperm carrying fluid. This is the fluid that is ejaculated out from penis during sexual contact. And this is the sperm carrying fluid. So introducing this semen into female reproductive system, that is called as what? Insemination. Introducing semen into female reproductive system. And no doubt the third step is what? Fertilization. That is the fusion between sperm and egg to form what? Zygote. This occurs within the fallopian tube of the mother or the female reproductive system. Okay. And this is called as, that is the sperm combines with the sperm and egg fused to form single-celled zygote. That is the third requirement, which is fertilization. And then after the fertilization, the single-celled zygote becomes multicellular embryo. How? By the division of the zygote. And this is called as cleavage. Okay. So the next requirement is what? The division of zygote, which is called as cleavage. And the next step is what? Implantation. That means fertilization occurs here, right? That means the fallopian tube or oviduct. And the development should not proceed there because the diameter of fallopian tube is very less. Okay. So from this area, it need to enter the uterus and where it get fixed. Okay. And this process of the fixation of this fertilized product, that means the stage is called as blastocyst. This is one of the embryonic stage that we will discuss later. So the fixation of this blastocyst into uterine wall is called as implantation. Okay. So the next step is implantation, and then the development of baby within the uterus, which is called as gestation. Okay. And the human gestation, it is about gestatory, and the human gestatory period, it is about 280 days or 40 weeks. Okay. And the animal with highest or the animal with longest gestatory period, that is Asian elephant, which is about 660 days. And the animal with shortest gestatory period, that which is only about 12 days, that is Virginia opossum. Okay. And the last step is the presence of fully developed baby stimulate the stretch receptors of the uterus. Okay. And these stretch receptors send signal to which gland? Pituitary gland. And pituitary gland will release some hormones. And these hormones act upon the uterine wall, which in turn result vigorous contractions of uterus, and the dilation of the cervix occurs, resulting the expulsion of baby through the vagina of mother. This is called as parturition or delivery. Okay, that is expulsion of baby through vagina of mother is called as delivery or parturition. So these are the sequence of events prior reproduction.